Hi, everybody. It's Andrew here with the Liminal product update for the week of May 7th. 3 things to highlight today. That's going to be 1 large foundational change for us, as well as 2 improvements. Foundational change that we've been working for a long time. So let's hop right in. First, it's our credit system. Organizational credit management allows your team to meter and decide how and when self-service access takes place to some of the more advanced intelligence features within the platform. And then in the GTM side, we have improvements to automatically adding new accounts and providing enrichment that way, as well as improved targeting and contact prioritization. Inside the platform, you can access the account management from the top right nav menu under your user icon, where you can see not only your users, but the credit ledger. Here where you can see how credits are being deployed. You can set filters to see types and users and export reports. Inside GTM, credits can be used not only for target account list building, but for account strategy, prioritization, planning, and for the verified enriched contacts. That includes email and phone addresses to target those buyers. To do that, I'm going to select one of my game plans for employee onboarding verification, where without setting additional filters, I'll pick some net new accounts, go through our campaign creation flow, and then as easy as 3 steps in the wizard with more targeting as relevant to you, you are able to build and deploy a campaign in seconds. It's the same material we've had before, where I'm getting not only recommended target accounts based on ICP and intent fit, but also account strategy plans across stakeholders, priorities, and the contacts necessary to reach out, create deals, and win business. We hope you enjoy the credit system, the self-service aspect that we've put together, and we can't wait to see what you'll put together with it. Now let's take a quick look at adding custom accounts in our May 7 release. Within Target Account List, what you're going to see is already tens of thousands of enriched and targeted to your product account opportunities. Unfiltered here to a narrow slice of e-com for my demo product. What I'm going to say is we want to add a custom opportunity to an account that's not in here. We have an opportunity to add a custom account for my local UTA, the Utah Transit Authority, where I'm going to help them reinvigorate their online ticket sales to boost ridership. We don't have a pre-enriched opportunity for this account, so all I do is simply search it by name, click add, and what I'm going to do is automatically process, and in about 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to see this account show up enriched, available for you to not only target, but identify the critical contact opportunities, generate outreach, and ultimately reach them through your GTM tool. We can do this through our CRM integration, through list upload in bulk, or just through the menu here. Check it out. Hope you find the accounts you're looking for.